This refrigerator has great capacity for beauty. A stunning wood finish is featured in a pull-out tray and other details that are all moisture and stain resistant, so they'll look this beautiful for a long time.
Whirlpool presents IntelliFresh Pro 10-in-1 convertible bottom mount refrigerator with the fridge at the top and the freezer at the bottom. This format ensures that the freshest foods are at eye level. It comes in 2 capacities and 2 finishes. The intuitive feather touch display panel, the exquisite design, the premium steel finish and a sleek chrome band make it perfect for every modern household. With its microprocessors and IntelliSensors, the advanced AI technology adapts cooling based on load, door opening, frequency, and outside temperature variations for long-lasting freshness. This next-generation convertible technology comes with an intuitive user interface and easy-to-use 10 modes that adapt to your everyday requirements with a simple touch. The unique 360 Fresh technology keeps food fresh in the refrigerator as well as the freezer for up to 15 days. The refrigerator gives best-in-class vitamin preservation, ensures that dairy products stay fresh for up to 7 days, and prevents up to 99% bacterial growth. By just a slide of a knob, the variable temperature zones allows storing everything, from dairy to fruits and vegetables with ease. The patented zeolite inside the freshenizer absorbs the excess ethylene and prevents excessive ripening of fruits and vegetables. The portable ice tray helps in easy filling of water and serving of ice. Its flexibility makes extra space in the freezer compartment for frozen food items. The IntelliSense inverter technology gives 45% faster cooling, easily connects to a home inverter, and helps in saving energy and ensuring silent and long-lasting performance. This refrigerator can operate even in high fluctuation of voltage and has been certified by VDE for 25 years of reliability. The refrigerator comes with a 2- and a 3-star rating. Whirlpool also offers a 10-year warranty on the compressor. Now get the Whirlpool IntelliFresh Pro convertible range using various hassle-free payment methods.
Congratulations on